Have you ever questioned what really happens in the skies above us? Today, we delve into a peculiar incident that might just make you question everything you thought you knew. Let's rewind a bit to a seemingly ordinary day in Sumter, New Mexico. A high-altitude balloon was poised for launch, ready to ascend into the vast expanse of the sky. It was no ordinary balloon, mind you. This was a scientific marvel, equipped with advanced tech, and it was set out on a mission to collect data from the stratosphere. However, things didn't go exactly as planned. As the balloon ascended, it encountered an anomaly, an unforeseen event that deviated from what was expected. This wasn't a mere weather fluctuation or a technical glitch. It was something that neither the engineers on the ground nor the algorithms in the control systems could comprehend. The anomaly was so severe that it prompted an immediate action. The balloon had to be brought down. Now you might be wondering who was overseeing this mission. It was none other than NASA, the very symbol of human exploration and scientific discovery. Yet despite their involvement, there was a conspicuous lack of information about the incident. No press conferences, no detailed reports, simply a statement confirming the anomaly and the subsequent descent of the balloon. What's even more astonishing is the silence from the mainstream media. An event of this magnitude, involving a high-altitude balloon and an unexplained anomaly, and yet there was hardly a whisper about it in the news. This dearth of coverage raises some intriguing questions. What was the nature of this anomaly? Why was there such a hasty retreat from the mission? And why the silence from those who should be informing us? This is where the plot thickens. An anomaly in the sky, a sudden descent, and radio silence from the mainstream media. Intriguing, isn't it? So, what could have happened up there? Could it be that the balloon hit an uncharted dome? Now, this might sound strange to some, but the dome theory is a fascinating concept that has been around for a while. Its origins are deeply rooted in ancient cosmology and theological beliefs, where the Earth is often depicted as a flat disk covered by a solid dome structure known as the firmament. This firmament was believed to separate our world from the heavens, or the divine realm. In modern times, the dome theory has been embraced by some as a way to explain certain unexplained phenomena. The idea here is that we live under a massive, invisible dome that encloses the Earth. Think of it like living inside a giant snow globe. This dome, according to the theory, is what the high-altitude balloon may have encountered. But what does this mean for us, if it was indeed the dome that the balloon hit? Well, it would fundamentally challenge our understanding of the world. It would mean that our perception of the universe is not what we thought it was. It would imply that we are living in a closed system, with boundaries we cannot cross. It would also raise a host of other questions. What is the dome made of? Who or what put it there? And perhaps most importantly, why have we been led to believe that we live on a globe spinning through an infinite universe, when in fact we might be living under a dome? Of course, this is just one theory. It's an idea that intrigues some and is dismissed by others. And while it's a theory that's hard to prove, it's also a theory that's hard to disprove. The incident with the high-altitude balloon has only added more fuel to the fire of speculation. If the dome theory holds true, it flips our understanding of our world upside down. But is it the only explanation? We'll continue to explore other possibilities in the following scenes. Remember, in the realm of theories and speculations, nothing is off the table. Or do you think we're living in a simulated world, and the balloon merely hit the edge of our programmed reality? This is the simulation hypothesis, a concept suggesting our reality isn't as real as we believe. Instead, it proposes we're living inside an advanced digital construct, masterminded by a superior civilization. Renowned thinkers like Elon Musk and Nick Bostrom have given weight to this idea. Could this hypothesis explain the balloon incident? Did it breach the boundary of our digital enclosure? Now let's consider the flat Earth theory, a belief that our planet isn't a sphere, but a flat plane. Supporters of this theory often cite the firmament, a biblical dome covering the Earth, as evidence. Could this have been what the balloon encountered? These theories, as wild as they might seem, could potentially explain the inexplicable. But the question remains, which one, if any, is true? In the end, we are left with more questions than answers. We've delved into the enigmatic high-altitude balloon incident, explored the intriguing dome theory, and even entertained the simulation hypothesis and the flat Earth theory. Yet, we find ourselves in a maze of conjectures and theories with no concrete answers in sight. Isn't it fascinating, though? The very essence of our existence, the reality we perceive, and the universe we inhabit are all shrouded in an enticing veil of mystery. This brings to light the importance of questioning, of exploring alternative theories, of not just accepting what is presented to us on the surface. Mainstream media may not be talking about it, but that doesn't mean we should stop asking questions. We should continue to probe, to theorize, to question the perceived realities. We are, after all, the architects of our own understanding. So what do you think really happened? Share your theories and thoughts in the comments below. Let's unravel this mystery together, one theory at a time.